Hello everyone, Mama Best Baby here again, and today I'm reviewing the ZITRADES. This time I'm reviewing the smaller 10 watt, the 10 watt outdoor security. They're floodlights. This is 10 watt, takes 12 volt, and of course they're not ready to plug in. They're the kind that you attach to something. Say your back porch light or something like that, or truck. I think it's a really great light. It's very bright, even though it's the 10 watt. Takes a 12 volt DC. It's a warm light, as you can see. It's energy saving, waterproof, and it gives you great energy levels. There you go. And we highly recommend it. I put it on a 4 or 5 star on sturdiness. It's really very strong, powerful light that we recommend if you need power lights, floodlights for the house, or about anything else. We highly recommend them. If you like this review, check out more of my reviews at mamabestbaby.com, and have a great day, everyone.